In this video, I'm going to show you how you can very quickly create replay summaries from your live coaching calls with your students and with your clients so crazy fast by using Loom's meeting recorder. I have tested them all. I've tested Fathom, I've tested Notion meeting recorder, Loom meeting recorder. I've tested them all. And without a doubt, Loom meeting recorder is the easiest to use. It is the most accurate and it is the fastest. And I am obsessed with it, and I just don't think people are talking about it enough. So I'm actually going to do a live call replay with you so you can see just how quick this is. Now, of course, I'm so glad AI is making this so fast and easy. All of the tools are so much better than what we used to have to do trying to get transcripts and timestamps and summaries manually. This used to be something that was such a manual process, because if you are taking the time to do live calls with your clients, with your community, with your members, then it is absolutely worth it to have a searchable way for this replay to come up and be a resource, because not everyone can come live. And what this does by having summaries and transcripts that are accurate and able for easy for your members to access, it actually turns these calls into living resources. So when they are searching for something, the transcript from this video can come up and they actually know where in the video they should jump to get the support they want. This is absolutely worth doing. And like I said, I'm going to show you how I do this with Loom meeting recorder, and I use Skool, and you're going to see just how crazy fast this process can be. So inside of Loom, you would make sure that you go into the meeting recorder and that you have this all set up. You can come in here and absolutely customize the settings, hook it to your calendar. I have mine set to internal meetings and internal invites. And then you can come in here and you can always at any time come in here and decide if you want Loom to record it or not. So I could come in here at any time and say, like, don't record that, record this, right? And then the cool thing is that the recording actually lives inside of Loom and it's linked to this meeting. So literally, I just got off this call with my Simplified Sales membership, so I can click view recording. It is going to take me to the actual video. And I just got off this call less than 10 minutes ago, and within like a minute, it was fully processed. This was an hour-long call. What was it? 50 minutes. And I have chapters. I have a incredibly detailed and accurate recap, and I have a detailed and accurate transcript. And so what is amazing about Loom meeting recorder in particular is I found time and time again, even if I was using something that was integrated with Zoom, it would spell people's names wrong. It would act like it didn't know who was talking, and Loom knows who is talking and references them and spells their name correctly, which makes a huge difference. The last thing I want to do is have a client see a coaching call summary and see their name spelled wrong. Like, I think that would be so annoying. So here we are. I'm going to take you step by step exactly how I do this. Let me move my face somewhere. So here we are inside of Skool. This is where I host my call replays. This is for my Simplified Sales membership. All I'm going to do is come in here and add page. I'll put today's date. I'm going to go back to here, share. I've already done this, but you'll want to make sure that the permissions are set to be anyone with the link can view, and I'll copy the link. Cool. Then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to go to the transcript. I'm going to click copy. So in one click, I have a whole transcript copied. I'll paste it here. Then what I want to do is I want to go to the recap and I'm going to copy all of this. Actually, I'll show you my favorite way to really do this. I'm going to copy the summary first. Then what I like to do is come in here and say timestamps. What I like to do is I like to actually take the chapters from Loom meeting recorder match with the sections here for the recap. When you copy and paste this though, it actually doesn't include the timestamps which is just like, it creates more steps than I need. So I'm just going to copy the chapters here and put it here. Now, honestly, you could stop here. What did that take? If I wasn't talking you through it, like 30 seconds max, you could literally stop here because Loom has titled these in ways that I'm happy with. It's going to be good for search. People understand what it's about, and you can absolutely just leave it here. But if you want to go the extra mile and make sure that your videos come up in search so that the conversations you're having with your clients can be actually useful to people who didn't attend the call, I just like to come in here and copy and paste the bullet points under each. Here's what I'll bold this. And then I'm literally just going to quickly run in here. And I'm just going to copy and paste these. And now I can save it, and it is published. That is it. That is how fast this can be. Now, because of Skool and Loom Meeting Recorder, I have the full hour-long video is here. I've got an accurate summary that's going to be great if someone is searching any of these relevant keywords. It's going to come up, and they're going to also know where to come in the timestamp and in the video to go there. And of course, there's the full transcript as well. So they're going to know where to go. And so this is absolutely the fastest way to do live call replays that are accurate, that are actually going to come up in search results when your members want to see like an answer to a question. And it's just so fast. So if you're not using Loom Meeting Recorder yet, and you're looking for a way to make your call replays effective, because if you just put the video in here, no one will watch it. They really won't. No one's going to watch it. If you put timestamps in a summary, there's a chance people will watch it. When you come in here and you actually even add this full detail, it's more likely that people are going to watch it, but it's also going to be, like I said, something that people will come back and reference in the future. So if someone's doing a podcast in YouTube, they might search for that. This is going to come up. They're going to know they just need to go to 1247. And hey, because Loom is really cool, if you notice when I'm hovering over this, it actually labels the sections the same. So someone can come over here and jump right to the section where we're talking about it, and they can pop in and they can get the answer they want. Okay. So this is why I love Loom Meetings so much. It's also why I love using Skool. I hope that this was helpful. If you are interested in using Skool or Loom, I'll put links to both below. And if you are looking for help simplifying your business, then I would love to support you. I have a membership called Simplified Sales, which is what this coaching call was from, where we focus specifically on simplifying making money by using YouTube so that you don't have to post daily, use complicated ads and funnels. But if you're also looking to simplify your business at a bigger scale, looking to scale to 6 figures, wanting to talk more about offer suite and the whole picture of your business, then I would love to support you as well. And you'll see links for us to work together below. But yep, this is my favorite way to do coaching call replays. So hope this was helpful. If you have any follow-up questions or any other tutorials you would like to see, comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.